creamy honey and meat. Look at this. Still haven't fixed that leak in the roof, you know. This is the life. Cocktails, palm trees, and as many foam rubber coconuts as I can eat. Mind you, the natives don't look very friendly. Now, as I mentioned before, this is our own little fantasy island, but it's more than that. It's also part of our next challenge. Now, Nicola Hill, Jenny Marks and Sarah Wood are all ranger guides, and they're from Sunbury, and they say that they can make a boat from a sheet of paper measuring 3 metres by 10 metres, large enough for the 3 of them to get into and paddle 25 metres around this tank without sinking. And they're going to do it all in 3 minutes. Right, this is my challenge. I'm backing it with a forfeit, though heaven knows why. Let's see what our celebrities think. OK, oh, Richard, you're there. Hello. What do you think? Can they do it or can't they?
I don't know. I really don't know. Yes. Yep.
Good for you, Richard.
Give them a chance.
Splendid. Anne, what do you think?
Well, perhaps if they were very, very skinny girls and the paper was extremely heavy, but I would say no, I don't think they can do it.
Are you going for the no, are you, Anne? OK, fair enough. Pat, what do you think?
There's no way. No way.
Oh, ye of little faith, please.
Not in paper.
Maybe our audience disagree with you. Let us find out. Place your bets now, please. What do you think at home? It may sound difficult. Can they do it? They must have practiced. Maybe they didn't. Maybe they sank every time they practiced. Who knows? Oh! Not much faith there, I fancy. Only 39 say yes, and 61 say no. I think they want to see me do a forfeit, that's all. Yes, I thought so. Please welcome, though, Nicola Hill, Jenny Marks and Sarah Wood. Welcome, hello. Nice to see you. Well, I'm glad to see you, even if they aren't. What a mean lot.
I don't know.
There's no, honestly, there's no faith at all. Now, tell me about the Rangers. What's the difference between a ranger and a guide?
Well, the Rangers are the senior section of the Girl Guide Association. We're from 14 to 25-year-olds, and we have a little more control over our programme than the guides do.
I see. And tell me a bit more about the Rangers. I mean, this is your anniversary year,
yes,
is it not?
75 years of Rangers this year, and we've got a big celebration, 91, and there's lots of events happening all through the year, each month.
Splendid. Well, this may be one of the events. Tell me a bit about the challenge now.
Well, we've never done it before, but our biggest problem is making sure we get in the boat so that it doesn't sink. Get our positions right.
But it's possible for the thing not to sink once you're in.
Yes.
Is it a question of balance?
Yes, definitely.
It is. Have you actually done it yet?
Yes.
Oh.
Sort of.
Well, girls, I have a great deal of faith in you. That's why I'm backing this challenge. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
OK? Get to your paper and prepare it. You have 3 minutes. On your marks, get set, go! You've had 30 seconds. Had 1 minute. One minute, 15 seconds. OK, you've had 1.5 minutes, that's half time. have 1 minute 15 seconds, girls. One minute left. Go, guys, go! 45 seconds, girls. Go on. Come on, girls. 30 seconds. Come on, girls. Go for it. Come on. Keep going! 15 seconds! 10 seconds! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Girls, go steady. Don't wet your doings. There you are.
There wasn't a leak, was there?
No leak, no.
It was a terrific try. Wasn't that amazing? Alice has got your scroll. Thank you very much for a very brave effort. Ladies and gentlemen, Nicola Hill, Jenny Marks and Sarah Wood. Thank you, girls. This is tragic. Well, you said yes, Richard, and we were so close.
Very close.
We did our best. You could have got yourself some more marks, but I'm afraid you didn't. You stay on 62. And you said yet no, and you were correct to say that. You got up to 148, and Pat, you said no as well. You were quite right, and you got up to 159, which makes you this week's winner. But don't go away. I shall be right back to you about that. Okay. Let's see how the audience did. Well, 61 of you, very sadly, were right. Never mind. Let's add those 61 points to all the other points from the course of the evening, and that gives us an audience total of 233. Now let's add all our celebrities' points together, and that gives us a celebrity total of 369. Now let's add the audience total to the celebrity total, and that gives us a combined total of 602 points. Now I did say that the points would be turned into pounds and given to charity, but that's far too low. Should we triple it? Yeah. I think so. Let's triple it, please. Thank you. And that gives us a grand total of £1,806 for charity. The charity nominated by this week's celebrity guest, and that is Pat Sharp. It's you.
Okay.
Who would you like the money to go to?
A well-known London children's charity that's absolutely capital.
And unfortunately, I was going to say that's all we've got time for, but we've just got time for what, Ellis?
Yes, you've just got to do a small forfeit.
Go on, Ellis, lay it on me.
Well, I think that the celebrity guest should choose, don't you?
Yes, would you? Be
Okay,
kind.
pick a really horrible, evil, foul one for him.
Yeah, poof it up.
What's it going to be?
Poof it up.
Roof it up.
Poof it up. Oh dear. Go on, explain.
I don't think they realised just what a good one they picked, because I got it from the horse's mouth. You're going to be a bareback rider.
Oh no! They all know I don't like horses.
Well, I'll be there to film it.
Thank you for that, Ellis.
Don't worry, I'll look after you.
Well, happily that is all we've got time for on You Bet tonight. Will you please thank my special guests? They were Richard Noble and Charles Stern and Pat Sharp. And a special thank you to all the challengers who appeared on You Bet tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, the challengers!